Good morning, students. Today I will explain how to write the PISA CCT exam in North South Foundation site, in an NSF site. First of all, you have to click on the NSF site that is provided by your teacher in PISA group, in PISA WhatsApp group. Then otherwise you are seeing on the screen, that is http colon slash /nsfhumstudy.org /cct. This you have to type in the Chrome search, and then you can log in. You can click on that. Then after that it will open a window and it will ask to log in, and you have to type your login ID. Okay, then actually your student ID is the login ID and password. Okay, 16, for example I am giving the login ID of some student 162063001, and the password also same thing will be there, 162063001. Then now press on the login, and it is showing a window. You see here, you study the instructions given how to write and how to write the exams, how to attempt the answers. Then you have to click on this. You have to move the CCT 21. It started at January 30, right, and till 31st 4 p.m. it will be there. Okay, this exam will be there in every Sunday, Saturday evening 4 p.m. to Sunday evening 4 p.m. You can see here there is a begin test, it is appearing. You can click on that. Then it is showing that the test date is January 30. Total number of questions are 20. Total weightage is 40. 40 marks is there. Total time 60 minutes. All the questions are compulsory. Then I have read the instructions. You have to click on this and start the test. You can click. Okay, here start the test is there. It will take to some window, and that contains the question paper. Okay, now the total questions are 20. In that first 4 are the English, next 8 are the maths, and next 8 are the science. Okay, now what you have to do, then you have to go down, scroll down and read the paragraph given and write the answers. Select paragraph is given, below that some question is given. Okay, you can select any answer, relevant answer, and next you can click on the next. Then select some answer after reading the question. Next third question came, and select some answer. Okay, after reading the paragraph and relevant answer you have to select. Then click on some option which is correct, and then after that next you can click. And this a maths exam came here. Maths question you can read, and maths paragraph they gave above, and this is the paragraph given, and below that some question 1 is there. You can select any one answer, and after solving the problem in the paper, press on the next button, and like this you have to answer for every question after reading the question and solve the problem in the rough paper, and later press on the next, and like this you can solve the every question. After solving all the questions, now you can go above, and it is showing that all the questions are attempted. They are appearing the green color. Answered means it is a green color, and you can go for the review also. The 20 questions are there. I answered the 19 questions. One question is reviewed, it is not answered. If you want you can go. Okay, cancel. Then you can, second question is in yellow color, it is not attempted by me in the mathematics. Then you can click on that, and the mathematics question, second question is displaced, some answer you can select. Then next you can go up. Now it is showing all the questions are attempted, right? Green color means it is attempted, yellow color means just it is we saw but not attempted, right? Okay, and now you can go for the review, and there are 20 questions. I answered the 20 questions and I am not reviewed anything, right? Now you can submit the test. Are you sure want to submit your test? It is appearing. Okay, you can click. Now it is showing completed, your exam is completed, right? And otherwise you can once again you can click on this and it will show. Once again login. Check it. Here test already taken, it is appearing. That means your test is completed. Like this everyone should write the exam. This is every week this exam is there. From Saturday 4 p.m. it will starts, and Sunday up to 4 p.m. you can write the exam. Okay, right. In the this is the 1 hour duration time, and within that you have to submit. Okay, if you not submit that within the 1 hour, and automatically this will be closes. Okay, this is how to write the exam. If you have any query regarding this, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.